I'm Jason Choi. I'm the purchasing officer for CTDI Singapore, a US-based company called CTDI US. We providing service for two of the biggest service provider in Singapore. There's Singtel and StarHub currently. Yeah. We provide them testing of their setup box, their refurbish of their setup box, and also repair for their setup box. Not only that, Singapore also providing authorized service center for walkie-talkies and also servers, IP phones and BTS stations. So yeah, we started with Crown. First rental agreement was signed on 2012. That was the power pallet truck. We just got our new truck recently, so it still look new. Yeah, from 2012 till now, we basically having no issue on it. As you can see, that's why we recontract it and we get a new truck. So my operator is happy with it. Renting is a benefit for us. As you can see, we don't need to worry about servicing, wear and tear, and for downtime, basically we cut down a lot about downtime. Have we have good service with Crown? Definitely yes. Whenever we have issue with the unit, we pick up a call, and yeah, Crown service technician will always come down on that day or basically the next day latest. And also, like for example, question in emails and stuff, I've been receiving prompt. So yeah, so that should be a yes. Comfort and safety, what I can see is I didn't have any complaint through my operators, and yeah, my manager didn't complain about the safety. ISO passed everything, so what I can see is overall is good.